Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will discuss how GDP is measured. Gross domestic product. It is the broadest measure of aggregate economic activity, which is the total market value of final goods and services produced within a nation, broader in a given period of time. Normally, we consider a year to calculate the total market value of goods and services produced. GDP per capita is the is calculated by dividing GDP with the population. It is measured to know the standard of living, and it's however it's not an accurate measure. There are other indicators which can measure the standard of living like HDI, GNP, and etc. There are certain exceptions. Some of the activities are not considered in GDP, like non-market activities, unreported income, intermediate goods. Non-market activities are those activities which are not sold in the market, like the homemakers who cleans, washes, garden, etc. Unreported income fall to capture that are not reported or text like some of the illegal activities are unreported income, considered as an unreported income. Intermediate goods are those goods which are input in the final in the production of final goods, like the engine of a car are not counted, right? When you counted the car total value of when you calculated the total value of car, you will not consider engine as a separate goods or services goods or service goods, right? Now we again discuss three of the approaches to calculate GDP, like the product approach, income approach, and expenditure approach. First, we will discuss the product approach, which is again in which now I'll tell you how to calculate the market value of any of total output produced in a country. Let's suppose there are economy where only two goods are producing, good A, good B. Adding the number of good A and B, you can get the total output of an economy. Like if you add the quantity of A and quantity of B, so you can easily know that the total output of economy within a year is 10 plus 15 is equals to 25, right? But how we can calculate the market value? Market value can be calculated by multiplying the prices of their price. You can multiply the you can know the value of product by multiplying their prices. If you multiply the quantity of A with the prices, you can know the value of good A. So here, let me write it somewhere, right? GDP can be calculated like if you multiply one multi so the total value will be 40, right?